state any factors to be considered while selecting electrical welding system. Following factors are considered while selecting of electric welding system. 1. Type of material, whether similar metal is to be welded or dissimilar metal is to be welded. 2. Property of material, whether ferrous or non-ferrous metal is to be welded. 3. Thickness of job, it is also depends on thickness of job to be welded. For instance, for thick material arc welding is used. And for thin material, resistance welding is used. For temperature required, whether job required high or low temperature to weld the job. For instance, for high temperature, arc welding is used. And for low temperature, resistance welding is used. 5. Pressure required, if job is need of pressure at the time of welding, in that case resistance welding is used. And if pressure is not required, arc welding is used. 6. Type of supply available, whether AC or DC or both supply are available. 7. Application, in case of mass production, resistance welding is used, and for repair work arc welding is used.